everyone, in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to do your laundry in a non-toxic way instead of using conventional detergents and fabric softeners that really hinder and harm your hormone health, showing you how to do it in a way that is more conducive for healing. Hey everyone, my name is Megan Garza and I'm a holistic health coach and yoga instructor. I'm also the CEO of Megan Garza Wellness. If you're new here, welcome to my channel where I discuss all things hormone and digestive health to help you get smooth digestion, balanced hormones, and glowing skin with lifestyle and nutrition changes. Now you might be asking, what do you mean my laundry detergent is hurting my hormones? And this is something that I hear all the time because there's not a lot of awareness about it. And I think that's rather unfortunate because this is one of the biggest sources of pollution in your home. So most of the fabric softeners and laundry detergents and all kinds of other laundry products that you see on the market are loaded with xenoestrogens. And xenoestrogens are basically a class of chemicals that mimic estrogen in your body. This is not a good thing because it can lead towards estrogen excess and cause all kinds of hormonal imbalances. That's why it's important to be a step ahead of the game. So when I do my laundry, the first thing I will do, if it's really soiled or stained, I will put it in the sink right over here, and I do have a little washboard in case I need to scrub something. This has been really helpful, and I will use something like Sal Suds to pull any kind of oil or grease stains off. So you just rub the clothes on here and it works really well if there's something that I don't want to throw in the wash. So when it comes to me using specific detergents, I like to keep it really simple. So I will use something like 7th generation. This one it has some questionable ingredients on it, but nothing like fragrance or other harmful ingredients that are going to mimic estrogen in your body. And this one always seems to get the clothes nice and clean. You can use vinegar, distilled white vinegar, as a fabric softener in the rinse cycle. And that seems to make the clothes have a really fresh scent and just give it more of an overall softness. If you feel like your clothes are really dingy, they're really dirty, you can use pure baking soda. This is a 15-pound bag and I feel like it's worked really well. I always have clean clothes, they don't ever smell bad, and it's just been really wonderful. Color grabbers are also something else that you can use in your laundry to help with any kind of new clothing that you think might leach the colors into your other clothes. Now for things like dryer sheets and fabric softeners, I do not use those in my home. I don't allow them to be brought in here because of the extreme source of pollution that it is. So when you go by and you smell someone's fresh, clean laundry, you're breathing in a big whiff of endocrine disrupting chemicals and other harmful pollutants. So I use things like the dryer balls. I had more of these, but I think my dog got a hold of them and I don't know where they are. So they come in a 4-pack. You can get them at Trader Joe's for really inexpensive, and they work so nicely to help your clothes not have static on them, and so that way they're soft. Essential oils are also another really great addition to your laundry room. This is Young Living Thieves. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up, but this one always makes my clothes smell so nice. I will just put a couple of drops on the wool dryer ball and throw that in there, and the clothes always smell really fresh after that. I do prefer to line dry my clothing, so I will put that out there. I prefer the way that it smells. I like that the sun can disinfect them if there's any kind of gross things on the clothes. I do spend a lot of my time outdoors, so who knows what I get into out there. And I also did buy this dryer used. So that means that whoever had this before me used a lot of conventional fabric softener. They used dryer sheets because when I got it, it reeked. So I ran several steam cycles, I ran a couple of loads of laundry through it, and even to this day, 6 months in, I can still smell some of the old scent from whatever the heck it was that he used. So I do prefer line dry for that reason as well. So as I said before, I don't use any fabric softener, any dryer sheets, Scotchgard, bleach, or any other harsh chemicals in my laundry because it is a major source of pollution in your home. Even though you can't smell it after a while, it is still off-gassing into your home. You're putting it on your skin, it's close to your face, you're breathing it in, it's being absorbed into your bloodstream. So this is why it's important to make sure that your laundry room is non-toxic, or at least less toxic than what it was before. Overall, just keeping it nice and simple is the way to go when you are doing your laundry, because the more chemicals you put into your laundry, the more chemicals that are going into your body. The chemicals that you are using in your laundry can have an either neutral or harmful impact to your hormone and digestive health. So making sure that you're choosing healthy options is the way to go. If you enjoyed this video and you found the content useful and helpful, please hit the thumbs up as it lets others be notified of this video who are looking for answers just like you. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the video next week.